Hey y'all, so I've got a pound of ground beef in here and one chopped up onion. I'm gonna be adding a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic. To that, we're gonna be adding one whole bag of frozen hash browns. Add one packet of taco seasoning, 1 can of the cheddar cheese soup, and half a cup of sour cream. A 2-cup bag of cheddar cheese. Mix this all together. Put the lid on this, and this is going to cook on low for 4 hours. It's going to give everything a quick mix. I've got some quesadilla. I have just a little bit of extra of this extra sharp cheddar, so I'm going to add that as well. Just pop the lid on this until it's ready to serve. Like 15-20 minutes later, all that cheese has gotten ooey gooey. Oh, doesn't that look great? You can add a little bit of sour cream to this if you want, but I'm just gonna eat it as is. Ooh, love it when it's super cheesy like that. Potatoey, cheesy goodness.